Let's do this. Hey guys, if you are new to my channel, welcome. How are you? My name is Kayla-Lea. I hope you stick around. I hope you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post new videos. And if you're not new here, welcome back. Thank you so much for watching another video. So today is the day. I have been talking about going back to brunette for a minute now. There's a lot of reasons why I want to do this. One of them being that winter is coming. Winter is here. And I'm getting pale. I'm not loving this color anymore, and I also don't want to bleach my hair anymore. It's time to move on. But I'm not gonna lie, I've been procrastinating on doing this because a part of me doesn't want to let the blonde go all the way. But honestly, it needs to happen. I even saw a waitress last night where she had just gotten her hair done and super cute. It was like a little brunette bob, really cute. She had just gotten it done and she was blonde before that. And I was like, yeah, it's time. This is a sign from the gods. So for today's color processing, I am going to be using Redken Shades EQ toners. These are demi-permanent toners. So the reason I'm doing demi-permanent versus like going out and getting like a permanent dye is because if I do want to go blonde again next year or the year after that, it won't be as hard. I've done a lot of research on this, and I think this is going to be the best way and the easiest way to get what I want from my hair. By the way, I want to make a quick disclaimer. I am not a licensed cosmetologist. I actually follow these two YouTube accounts. One of them is Elle Bangs. She is awesome. She has a lot of great tutorials, and especially using the Redken Shades EQ line. So if you're interested in learning more about like these toners and how they work, definitely check her channel out. The second channel I like to watch a lot is this girl named Sam Vey, I'm pretty sure. Super helpful. She doesn't use Redken shades a lot, but she does a great job of explaining like toning and like how to tone your hair like correctly. She gives really good tutorials regardless. So definitely check her out too if you want to learn more about just toning in general. But I'm going to be using two formulas today. One of them is going to be for my root because I want to just touch up my natural color, and I do want my root to be darker than the rest of my hair. So to do that, I'm going to be using 5N Walnuts and 7N Mirage mixed, just to kind of like, actually I'm probably not even going to put 7N. I'm probably just going to use 5N because I did that last time. I did a root touch up and it came out fine by itself. So the first formula I am going to be using is just 5N with the processing solution. And then for the rest of my hair, I'm going to go in with 7CB. This is like a coppery brown color. I have to deposit reds and oranges back into my hair so that when I go over it with a darker brown, because I am thinking of like mixing 7N and 5N to put over the CB. You have to fill your hair basically when you're blonde in order for you to go back to brunette. And there's a possibility that I might actually like the CB on its own. I'm just gonna like speed through what I'm doing so that I can watch Sex and the City while I do this, because you know, it's gonna be a little second. So I am gonna apply everything at the same time and then let it process for like 30 minutes. And then I'm gonna wash my hair, see what it looks like after. And then if I want it to be a little bit darker, then I'm gonna go in and put the level 5 mixed with the level 7 to kind of get like a level 6 over everything. So I don't know if any of that made sense, probably didn't, but let's get started.
you're strong, so fresh, so fly. You got me like still wild. Just need to clear my mind. Just need a little more time. In with the new, out with the old. But so unsure what the future holds. Regretting the love I once had. Memories are good, but feeling bad. Just need to clear my mind. Just need a little more time. Falling for one wasn't meant to be. Left with so much uncertainty. Try to accept what comes my way. Get me through those harder days. Transparent. Ever since I saw you, I had double vision. One you on the surface, lying on top of a perfect picture. Mixtures of magic, all wrapped up and tragically.